Share the installation of saddle stitching for 535分之436. First, remove the paper tray of the machine. Then install the bridge to the position of the paper tray. Then install the iron sheet for connection. Fix with screws. Connect the paging device and plug in the cable. Here to disassemble. Then plug the line in. Finally, connect the paging device and push it in after aligning the position. Then push the lock inward. Fix with a screw. Install the paper tray. There is also a saddle stitching tray, and it's done once it's installed. Look at the complete body. Show you the function of saddle stitching. This is the bound booklet. Remember to like and follow.